to show you this portable diaper changing pad that the company sent me. I don't know about you guys, I've had 3 kids. I do not like changing them in like public restrooms, where it can be kind of gross. Even if they have that thing that comes down, I want to put something down first so I'm not just laying them directly on that. This is also like, I think like it's just imperative to have when you have a little kid in diapers or a baby in diapers, to carry it all around and then have a place to safely lay them down and change them without like, being gross. I've used it in like the trunk of my car, maybe outside, just wherever you are. So it comes with a compartment to put your wipes back here so you can just like grab them right away. It's like you have a baby down on a changing table, you don't want to be like searching for stuff everywhere. So to keep it all nice and organized is really key. It has this like strap right here, the buckled, so you can attach it to like your stroller. That's what I would do if I'm out and about. And then like tons of compartments, so you can put extra wipes, the diapers, pull-ups, whatever. And then it's big, so it's going to grow with your kid. So it's not just for like a newborn. Toddlers still need their diapers changed. So they get big. Maybe your kid is big. So it's going to give you like a ton of room, and then it's super easy to wipe down and clean. The material itself is like a very nice material. You can also zipper this off and then just take this part with you, the top part, or just the bottom part with you, depending on what your needs are. Like if you're going on vacation, you have to have something like this when you travel with a little one. There's no question about it. And then there's like a front zipper. So this is like all you really need to even bring. Sometimes you could put your cell phone or your keys, or if you're dropping your kid off at daycare, maybe this is something you put and then like have, information in here as well. So definitely really nice quality. You have to have something like this for a baby or a toddler. Good gift to give as well. So this is a good one to pick up.